Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna see how to activate Peloton Bike. Firstly, turn on your Peloton Bike, Bike Plus, Tread, Tread Plus or Row. Select your language and connect you to your Wi-Fi network. Download any updates and set your time zone. You will be prompted to either purchase an all-access membership or enter a membership activation key only if you've previously purchased one. If you need to purchase a new membership, tap Buy Subscription. A QR code will appear on your screen. Scan it with your phone to go directly to the Peloton membership purchase page. On your web or mobile browser, enter the 6-digit activation code displayed on your Peloton screen. Just click Start Activation. On the Peloton screen, select Get Started, and if you already have a Peloton membership, choose Use Membership from another account, and if you're purchasing a new membership, select Purchase a New Membership. Enter or confirm your payment information and complete the activation process, then start using your Peloton. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.